Okay guys, so Angie Peppers here. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. It's pretty cold outside right now, so just gonna be staying in for the day. And I just have this great want to be doing a little cooking, making some salsas and whatnot, just a bit for the family. So I wanted to just do a simple segment on for those that love to make some dips and salsas and whatnot for, for chips, or when you're gonna dip it, get some chips and have some dip with it. So basically, I'm gonna make a salsa or a dip. It's actually a dip. And you might have seen it or heard of it or something, that maybe friends or family. It's very simple to make. It's really, really not that hot. It's bearable, so it's very simple to make. The things that you'll need, of course, is a blender. You get you some of this crema, or it's kind of like a sour cream. This case, I like to use this one. You don't have to, but you can use that. 2 avocados. Then what you'll need is some jalapeños, some pickled jalapeños. I keep mine in this old-fashioned Tupperware. You guys remember that back in the 80s. But anyway, and what I like to use is some of this chicken flavor, chicken bouillon, or we just call it North Mexican one. And some lemon, just to kind of sprinkle a little dash of lemon. And if you want to add a little bit more salt, some onion. I'm not going to have precise measurements here. I like to just pretty much just go along as I don't, just watch and kind of pay attention. Like I said, it's very mild. I made some here prior, so that's what you see here. So what you're going to get 1 jalapeno. You can take the stem off or leave it. It's up to you. And what you're going to do is put the jalapeno in there. Then you're going to get you some 2 avocados. Don't worry, it's not bad. It's just a little bit of oxidation there, the little brown spots, but you're okay. And you're gonna put the 2 avocados in the blender. It's a great dip to have. It's really good, and a little, not too much spice on it. It's pretty bearable. And just put that in my little compost bin there that I have going. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of lime juice in there just to taste. And I forgot the onion, just slice you a little bit of onion, not too much. You can see there kind of what I'm doing in there. You don't want too much in there. Some people like it with a lot of onion. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to get about 1/4 of a clove of garlic. You don't have to put garlic. Some people don't like garlic. I love garlic and everything. And just be right with you. Sorry guys, forgot the cilantro. What I'm gonna do is get me a little bunch of, see that cilantro, like a little, I don't know how much that is, but if you could kind of just see my hand, just put the cilantro in there. And then what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle a little bit of, like I said, of the note in there. If you want to, I'll get a little spoon so you can kind of demonstrate and put it in there. See there, you just kind of sprinkle it in there. I'd say about two little teaspoons of it. And then what I do is I like to get the juice of the jalapeno. You see that? Can you guys see that? Just pour a little bit of the jalapeno juice in there. Kind of adds that little vinegar, tangy kick to it. And then I'm going to get some of the crema, or the cream. I'm going to put a little bit of it in there, just like so. Hopefully y'all can see it there. And sometimes what I do is just add a little bit of salt in there, like a little pinch or so, just to taste. And you could be tasting as you go. There's no set rule. Some people like it more salty than others. And then you just blending away. Sometimes you gotta push it in there. make sure it gets all in there and it kind of get it all mixed in there. Like if you want it a little bit more runny or something, you can add a little bit of more jalapeno juice in there. It's not going to hurt it. And like I said, you can just taste it and see what it needs. But again, it's got that little zesty flavor in it. It's got the little kick in it, the little tanginess from the jalapeno. You can taste the cilantro, the cream in it, and then of course the lime. And then you could use either cilantro or you could use the lime. Just be a little creative to kind of add to the presentation. Presentation is important. And there you have it. This is from the one that I made previously. Just, you know, little pieces of cilantro or something as a garnish or something. And there you have it. So basically this is, like I said, a jalapeno avocado dip. Very, very tasty. Very, very simple to make. Get your ingredients, your onion, your garlic, your crema, your salt, and your jalapenos. I use jalapenos. You don't have to use jalapenos. You could use serranos or whatever you like, but just the pickled jalapeno with the vinegar flavor, the tanginess and all that. It's a very tasty dip to have. Very, very easy to make. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This is just some of my segments that I'll be making as far as on my YouTube channel. It's very basic. I hope you like it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Angie Peppers. And I'll be having more video segments. If you have any questions or any other types of salsas, here, this one that I have here, I made this one out of a red habanero, cilantro, and tomatillos. Very good sauce, but this one is going to be a lot spicier. This one you could use for tacos or, you know, rice and beans or whatever you want to put some of the salsa in there. The jalapeno avocado one, this one was a more mild, more for like parties for kids and things that's not too spicy. A very delicious dish, and like I said, very easy to make. And I hope you guys have enjoyed. You have a great weekend. Y'all take care. Angie Peppers out.